good morning students. Welcome back to Eklavya online classes. So now student, today we will read new chapter pronoun. Okay, in second and third class we will read new chapter pronoun. Okay, so first let's see what is the pronoun. So students, pronoun is a word. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun and in place of noun. Okay, I am going to write its definition. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Okay, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun, like he, she, they, it, okay, etc. So I am repeating again, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun, like he, she, they, it, etc. These are pronoun because these are used in place of noun, so they are called pronoun. Okay, so students, see by the example, like Toma, Meena is a beautiful girl. She lives nearby my house. Meena is a beautiful girl. She lives nearby my house. All persons of her family, okay, all persons of her family love her. Okay, love her. So see here, Meena. Meena is a noun. Okay, it's proper noun. So Meena is a beautiful girl. Meena एक सुंदर लड़की है. She, तो यहाँ पे she किसके लिए यूज़ हुआ है? यहाँ पे हमने she मीना के लिए यूज़ किया है. So she lives near by my house. वो मेरे घर के पास रहती है. All persons of her family love her. मतलब उसकी फैमिली के सभी व्यक्ति हैं जो उसको पसंद करते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हर देखो और यहाँ पे भी हर. ओके, ये these pronouns are being used for मीना. किसके लिए यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं? ये मीना के लिए. So these are pronoun. Okay students, so these are pronoun. And in other word you can say personal pronoun. In other word you can say these are personal pronoun because they, she, her and her. Here these words are used for Meena. Okay, so personal pronoun means words which are used instead of name, जो name की जगह use किए जाते हैं, that is called personal pronoun. Okay, understood? जो words, the words which are used in place of noun, in place of name, in other word you can say in place of name, are called personal pronoun. Okay, so let's see personal pronoun. So I hope you understood what is the definition of pronoun. Okay, pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun and personal pronoun. See, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are divided into 3 person. ये 3 person में डिवाइड किया जाता है. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. Personal pronoun is divided into 3 persons, first person, second person and third person. So what is the first person? First let's see what is the first person. The persons speaking are known as pronoun of the first person. The persons speaking are known, बोलने वाला person, it means speaking means बोलने वाला person. The persons speaking are known as a pronoun of the first person. Second person, the persons spoken to is called pronoun of third person. जिससे हम बात करते हैं. The persons spoken to is known as pronoun of the second person. Okay, third person, the persons spoken about, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ में, ठीक है ना, that is called third person. The persons spoken about is known as a pronoun of third person. So understood, student? Speaking person, you can say in short, speaking person. Okay. Spoken to, the persons spoken to, okay, or spoken about. Understood that persons spoken to, persons spoken about. Okay, persons spoken to, persons spoken, persons speaking, persons speaking. Okay, persons speaking and person spoken to or persons spoken about. Okay, these are नॉन फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन. जिसके जो बात कर रहा है उसके अंदर दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फर्स्ट पर्सन. जिससे बात कर रहे हैं हम दैट इज़ कॉल्ड सेकंड पर्सन. एंड जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड थर्ड पर्सन. लाइक फर्स्ट पर्सन सिंगुलर, इफ सिंगुलर में कौन आएगा, आई और singular only I first person. Okay, plural we. Okay, and also second में he और she. singular हो गया, plural you is here, you, and plural also here you. Second person because you is second person, and third person singular third person he, she, it. Okay, and its plural is they. Okay, persons speaking. Okay, speaking person is called first person, I mean singular I and plural we. Okay, एंड जो बात करने वाला आई या वी, ओके। एंड सिंगुलर प्लूरल यू एंड सॉरी सिंगुलर ऑल्सो यू एंड प्लूरल ऑल्सो यू, ओके। एंड थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर ही शी इट एंड प्लूरल दे, ओके। सो दीज आर इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव केस। अगर आप ऑब्जेक्टिव बात करोगे तो आई का क्या हो जाएगा, मी। इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव केस वी, अस। इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑल्सो यू एंड यू, ओके। एंड सिंगुलर ही शी, ही का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या हो जाएगा, हिम। शी का हर, ओके। हिम हर इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव, ओके। अंडरस्टूड। एंड प्लूरल दे था, इसका क्या हो जाएगा, देम। दीज आर ऑब्जेक्टिव, ओके। दीज आर ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, हिम हर देम you and understood, me and us. These are objective case because these pronoun are used after the verb, so these are called objective case, okay. So student, I am going to make here a table. You have to also make the table, okay. यहाँ पे आपको एक टेबल बनानी है, आप खुद को भी हेल्प करेगी, ठीक है। यहाँ पे पर्सन लिख दिया मैंने, पर्सन्स। ये आपको बनानी है सब्जेक्टिव केस, ओके, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस, and possessive case. So student, like this table you have to made, okay. अच्छे से बनानी है आपको, you have to make it in proper way, like first person, singular, and plural, okay. ये पर्सन की बात, वी आर टॉकिंग हियर पर्सन, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल। सिंगुलर इज हियर आई, प्लूरल इज वी, ओके। हियर सेकंड पर्सन सिंगुलर and plural, okay. Singular is second person you, plural also you, and third person, okay. Singular and plural, okay. Singular is here he, she, plural they, okay. It also here singular, okay. Now we are going to write its plural, I, me in objective case, we, us, okay. You also and plural also you, okay student. He, him, she, her and it का it रहेगा, okay. They, them. So these are objective case, these are objective case. पजेसिव केस में आप लिखोगे माई, माइन, our ourselves, sorry, ours, okay. Okay, you, your, yours, okay, and you also, possessive case also, plural your and yours. Him, possessive case, his, her, hers, and it का its, okay. Them, theirs, okay students. Sorry, first इसके दोनों केसेस में ये हिज और हिज एंड हर, hers, okay. Yes, you have to write down these table. Okay, student, you have to make table in proper way in your notebook carefully, there and theirs. See, persons, there are 3 persons. I told you just person, singular person, first person, second person, third person. In singular form, it's subjective case I. Okay, I is used in subjective case. आप देखते हो कि I am going to school, I am eating food, कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हो. I is used for as a subjective case. Okay, me is here objective case. ओके, लाइक डोंट टॉक टू मी, यहाँ पे हम इसको ऑब्जेक्टिव केस को वर्ब के बाद में यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, लाइक डोंट टॉक टू मी मतलब कि मुझसे बात मत करो, तो यहाँ पे मी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हम आई का यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव केस है, मी का यूज़ करेंगे. डोंट टॉक टू मी लाइक दिस. ओके, देन इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव केस मी एंड माई इज पॉजिटिव केस एंड माइन ऑल्सो. तो माई इज हियर, जैसे दिस इज माई स्कूल और दिस स्कूल इज माइन. तो these are used in possession पर my, these जो first है my, our, your, his, their, these are possessive adjectives. These are called possessive adjective and these are called possessive pronoun. I repeat again, जैसे आप बोलोगे this book is mine, then here is it's a pronoun. But if you want to speak like this is my school, then it means my is here adjective. क्योंकि because my is being used here before the noun and words those are used before the noun are called adjectives. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ pronoun बता रही हूँ, पर those words are used before the noun, just before the noun is called possessive adjective. Okay, and those words are used alone, it's called possessive pronoun. ओके, ये possession शो करता है, कोई हक शो करता है कि हमारी चीज़ ये हमारी है. इट मीन्स दीज आर possessive noun. यहाँ से ये possessive noun हो गए. ठीक है, दीज आर possessive noun. यहाँ पे ये हिज, यहाँ पे इसका possessive adjective भी हिज होगा और इसका possessive noun pronoun भी हिज ही होगा. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू मेक टेबल लाइक दिस. एंड सेम यू, सिंगुलर भी यू होता है, इसका प्लूरल फॉर्म भी इसका यू होता है. यू इज़ हियर ऑब्जेक्टिव केस बिकॉज आई लाइक यू कैन गिव, आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू, कि मैं तुम्हें देना चाहती हूँ, तो यहाँ पे आई वॉन्ट टू गिव यू यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में यूज़ हुआ. ओके, इन सब्जेक्टिव केस यू कैन से यू आर डूइंग दिस, यू आर राइटिंग, यू आर डूइंग, यू आर टॉकिंग, दैट इट इज़ यूज हियर ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. एंड हियर आई वॉन्ट टू talk to you, here it means here is the objective case. Okay, its plural also you and its objective case also you. And you का क्या हो जाएगा? possessive adjective your school, your shoes. Okay, like this. And yours, if you want to show possession like in pronoun, then you have to use yours. Like this book is yours, ये book तुम्हारी है, then yours. Okay, singular also he, she, it. Okay, and plural they. इन सब का ये थर्ड पर्सन कहलाएंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड सेकंड पर्सन एंड ये थर्ड पर्सन. हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं ही, शी, इट. ओके, दे, इट मीन्स ही, शी, इट, इट्स. दीज आर सिंगुलर एंड दे इज प्लूरल. ओके, एंड ही का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हिम, एंड शी का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस हर, इट का इट ही रहेगा, एंड दे का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस देन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड दैट. एंड हियर हिम एंड possessive adjective his school, his shoes. Okay, like this you can use. जहाँ पे possession show करोगे आप. ओके, and it's in possessive pronoun also his. Okay, and her का हर possessive adjective में use होगा, and hers it means possessive pronoun. Okay, them, their in plural case. Okay, they का objective case them, they is subjective case, them is objective case, and its possessive case in adjective their, and its possessive case in pronoun is theirs. Understood? Like this, these book are theirs, this car is theirs, कि ये कार उनकी है, this car is theirs. Okay, this car is theirs. So like this, this is possessive pronoun. Okay, students, so you have to make this table in your notebook carefully. Okay, don't make any mistake, because it is help to understand these pronoun easily. Okay, so I hope you have done this table. Okay, now I am going to erase this. So in table, whatever I made pronoun chart, okay, these are personal pronoun. These are called personal pronoun because they are used in place of name. In place of name, so you can say these are personal pronoun. Okay. I told you like person बोलने वाला फर्स्ट पर्सन, सुनने वाला सेकंड, और जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड थर्ड पर्सन. ओके, इफ़ यू हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ कन्फ्यूजन देन यू कैन आस्क मी बाय मैसेजेस, and I hope those exercises are given in your book related of this chapter. You have to complete all exercises. Okay student, I hope you will not find any problem to find out personal pronoun. Okay, like I am going to one more example from your book. Hari lives in my neighborhood. Like Ram is my brother. Ram is very intelligent. Okay, Ram is my brother. Ram is very intelligent. So अगर आपको कहा जाए सेंटेंस को रीराइट करके इसका पर्सनल प्रोनाउन लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? फर्स्ट सेंटेंस you have to write as it is. Okay, and in second sentence you have like I am like Ram is my brother. Then कैसे यूज़ करोगे इसको? इंस्टेड ऑफ राम यू विल यूज़ ही इज़ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. ओके, सो like this you have to rewrite the sentences, those are given in your book. Okay, you have to use here personal pronoun. So instead of Ram we have used here, क्या use किया हमने, we have used here he. So he is here personal pronoun. Okay, so like this you have to complete your book exercise. Those are given in your book. So student, thank you, have a nice day.